Hey guys, it's Rob with a very new video. I actually got a lot more on this area, but I'm just going to start out with a simple video that gets right to the point. And then believe this, after this video, the evidence is even better. It's even more staggering. But what I want to show you here is if you look to the right, you got the Himalaya mountains, India, and that area. Then you look to the left, I have Africa sideways, and you'll notice that there's a lot of stuff going on right here in the dead center. Well, that's pretty important stuff, and this is what I wanted to show you, how reoccurring patterns prove that plate tectonics is wrong 100%. And I'd be surprised if after everybody watches this if they don't see what I'm talking about. First though, I want to show you, remember I showed you in the other video recently that this crater right here is like one of the main reoccurring patterns that can be found all over the earth, including right over here next to it, right there, and right there. Those are reoccurring patterns of this crater right here. One of this is the overflow next to this one right here. Remember I pointed that out. There's a spillover right here. Okay, now I want to show you how reoccurring patterns work. And I claim that reoccurring patterns are different depths of the same process. And let me just show you the first simple alignment would be right there. Okay, you can kind of see how that fits right there, wraps around. And then if you look, when I line that up, you can see that overspill is kind of like right here, pouring. But these move because they've been pulled apart, I believe, maybe as it was being created or after, I'm not sure. Okay, but let's take a look what we got here. What I want to do is this crater right here, I want to put it right in here, like that. And when I do, you can look over here and you can see this overspill. Let me darken it. Okay. You can see that this overspill fits into that right there. See? As this lines up in here, because this is a reoccurring pattern of that crater. But when I line it up, it reveals other alignments too. But here's the deal. This is also a reoccurring pattern of this right here, this round feature. Let me see if I can do this right. Because when I bring that overspill, it lines up. And then remember I told you that this is a reoccurring pattern also of this. So it also fits. Actually, you know what it is? This fit into that crater. Showing you reoccurring patterns here on Africa with this overspill. And then I can bring it up and bring the reoccurring pattern of the overspill into that crater. And you can see it flowing right through. And then I can bring this over and it fits in there too. Let me dim it. See how this has a notch right here? Shit, where'd it go? Right here. See how it fits right into that notch? As a matter of fact, this, here we go, here's my proof. This right here, see how that fits into there? And then that fits into there. You can see that this made this square, this side of it anyways. See? Let me show you with the black and white overlay, because you can see through it easier. As I bring it in, and first to line it up here, you can see alignments right there, overspill. But check this out, you see this, and India, you got this I don't know what to call that, it's like a notch in India. You can see it lines up with these marks here on the ocean as I bring it down. You can see the overspill here is lining up. You can see that that overspill cut this area out. Oh, this is so hard to do. I can't believe how hard this is when it's so simple. See this alignment right here? When that aligns up, you see this area with the notch here? Look at this area right here, lining up right with that. As this lines up here, you can just see this whole thing lines up as it comes through. Let me tell you what I think is going on though. What I think is going on is that you have a vortex here and it sucks up matter and it overspills, and this right here is the beginning of the creation of the planet, which is Africa. This is a miniature, this is, you can tell that this is spilled over and this is now pouring out. It's running outwards. And then I think it's covering this right here. This is below Africa. This is sucking up material and it's overspilling and it's covering this area, which you can see lines up with Africa. And then it gets coated and it pours down and creates Africa. Oh man. What I should do is get a straight on shot of this area right here. Okay, here's a more straight on shot for this, and I want to show you something. I'm going to start bringing it in from this angle right here. You can see the alignment right there. As it comes in, this is the overspill here. I think it goes this way. Yeah, like that, something. you got the overspill dropping down here. How it lines up there. This is hard. I can't believe how hard this is. This lines up right there. Looks like it needs to rotate. See? Watch. There, like that. See now? See how this lines up here, and then this still lines up. It's eventually going to line up right there too. This is harder than I thought. I don't know why I'm having a hard time with this. See, look how it lines up with the markings still. Look at Iceland. Iceland fits in that groove of the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. Here's the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It has something to do with India. Remember this? Or check this out though. Here's that other layer. You see this? Iran's right here. There's going to be more to come, but I just want to get this started. Thanks for watching, but I mean, you could see, look. I mean, there's something going on here, right? Alright, thanks for watching.